So hello friends, I'm Mr. Joker Makanto. Today I'm going to talk about quotient and product. Technically it's product and quotient, and in FPG words it is multiplication and division. So I just put it here. Make sure all of it is in all caps. Or you can just put it here, from here. It is somewhere here, and you can quotient product. You can put check number 6 last time. It also works. Yeah, I know that. I do the oh, I forgot to put shift. Here we go. Shift enter. 1 still 1 times 1 still 1 times 2 goes to 2 and so on. If you times the one again, sorry, this is multiplication. How about 40 times and then times again by 20 and then times again by 10 and 10 and so on. Then there is the e to simplify. I can explain about this later on. Why is it an e and why is there this number behind it? 08, and then if we add another 0, it becomes 09. I can explain it later. Then the division. Region. What the? Do that. Do that. Do that. Do that. Do that. That. Because there is too few arguments. Okay. It means that this will be a 2. Huh. That's good. Oh, I got it now. B8 should be C6. There you go, it becomes 2. So you can use this with each other, like A1 comes out. That is a number. You can do that. Like everything, you can just even add some here. Please. Accidentally press the number lock. You can put some there, but it's out of the topic. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.